This video is the product of the Functional Cranial Release Research Institute. For difficult neurologic conditions that no one seems to have answers for, visit functionalcranialrelease.com.
Yeah, so I've seen two neurologists after I was diagnosed with the ENT. He sent me to a neurologist, and I went and saw another person after him after I wasn't getting any answers or any type of solution. And even still, no one, again, had an answer. I was always being questioned. What does it feel like? What does this do? What does that do? Let's try this. And, with you, again, the difference is you have more answers than questions, which is why I decided to come here. I noticed in your videos you had answers to what I was dealing with instead of being questioned.
Yeah.
And that's what I enjoy the most, really. So again, my main concern was the pressure in your head, the constant pressure. Causes headaches because you have this pressure in your head and you're dealing with other things in life, with work and whatnot. It can bring on headaches very easily. And then the pulling of the muscles right here, which is what I think causes all the pain and pressure anyway. The pulling, and then the clicking with the movement of the throat. And with him, when I first even describe what I have, it's almost like he can't comprehend everything that I have anyway. So when I was telling him, there's this doctor I discovered, and it looks like he has answers, he was like, maybe, you've never had an answer. What does he do differently? And he was skeptical. And the other day, my sister was actually talking to him, and she told him that so far I've been relieved of certain symptoms, and he couldn't believe it. So the pressure is completely gone.
Awesome.
So that's.
How long have you had that?
So I've had it for 10 years, almost to the day. I remember it started in about October, November when I was 17. Now being 27 and almost being October, November. Yeah, I've had it almost exactly 10 years.
It's a long time.
It's a long
suffering.
to have that pressure in your head and for it to be completely relieved after 10 years. Yeah. Happy and excited isn't the words. It's almost like you're giving me my life back. I can enjoy my life now again.
Yeah.
So, the clicking is at its very minimum that I've ever had it. The clicking's almost completely gone. So, my advice too, I watched your videos for a good year before I decided to go ahead and make an appointment with you. And all that did was push me back another year of having what I have. So, and too, I was told that I'm going to have to live with what I have. So you might as well, what do you have to lose? Why not? Even if you can't fix what I have, why not try it?
Yeah.
And I'm glad I did because it worked.
Hi, this is Dr. John. Thanks for joining me. If you or a loved one suffers from difficult neurologic conditions that no one seems to have answers for, send them to functionalcranialrelease.com. You can contact me by phone or email me at askdrjl@gmail.com. And remember, if healing is possible, consider it to be within your reach. Bye for now.
functionalcranialrelease.com